So today I'm going to finish a little cleaning overhaul and some minor fixes to this old 1987, 1990 era Harman Kardon 880 receiver. These preset selectors and this seek button need a little spot of glue in the back. And I'm going to use just a touch of school glue or Elmer's glue on those little holes, and that little hole right there, you see it's gray, that needs to be glued back. The rest of this puppy is over here, and boy, getting to these pots for lubrication is I had to take off the tuner assembly here just to get down in there and get to the pots, and got to lube up this on and off switch, that push thing there. And then the other thing I don't know if I'm going to be able to fix is the terminal boards. As you can see, this thing took a hit, broke the speakers A off. Speakers B work okay. I'm going to take that out, see if it's repairable. If not, oh well, just use speakers B.